Hello dear students, nice to see you again. Today our lesson is Pets and Wild Animals. Let's start our lesson. Contents. Dear students, today we are going to learn pets and wild animals, some vocabulary words, and also we have grammar, it's an, it isn't a, and we will do some activities. Pets and wild animals. Dear students, animals are divided into two groups, pets and wild animals. Pets can live with people. You can take care of them. But wild animals live in the forest. You cannot take care of them because they are wild. Now let's have a look at some pets. Dog, cat, cow, sheep, horse. Now have a look at some wild animals. Bear, fox, owl, snake, eagle. Vocabulary. Dear students, now we are going to learn some new words. Bear, ayı, fox, tülkü, owl, baykuş, snake, yılan, eagle, kartal. It's a or an, or it isn't a or an. Dear students, if we want to say our sentence in the positive side, we use it's. But if we want to say it's in negative, we use it isn't. For example, it's a deer, it's an owl, it's an eagle, it's a fox. Now, in the negative side, it isn't a bear, it isn't an eagle, it isn't a deer, it isn't an owl. Activity time. Write the letter P for pets and the letter W for wild animals. Pause the video, write them, then return to the video. In the first word we see dog. Is dog a wild animal or a pet? Yes, you are right, dear students, it's a pet. In the second word is bear. It's a wild animal. In the third word is a fox. Fox is also a wild animal. The next word is a cat. Is it a wild animal or a pet? Yes, it's a pet. The next word is an eagle. Eagle is also wild animal. Cow. Cow is also pet. Well done, dear students. Look at the picture and write it's or it isn't. Pause the video, write them, and return to the video. In the first sentence, it's a fox. Yes, it's right. In the second sentence, is it a bear? No, it isn't a bear. In the third sentence, it's an owl. It's right. In the fourth sentence, is it an eagle? No, it isn't an eagle. In the fifth sentence, it's a cow. In the sixth sentence, is it a cat? No, it's not a cat. In the seventh sentence, is it an iguana? No, it isn't an iguana. In the eighth sentence, it's a bear. Well done, dear students. Unscramble the words according to the pictures. Dear students, pause the video, unscramble them, then return to the video. In the first unscrambled letters are O, W, C. What is it? It's a cow. The next unscrambled letters are E, E-L-G-A. What is it? Yes, you are right. It's an eagle. The next unscrambled letters are X, O, F. It's a fox. The next one is E, R, H, S, O. Yes, it's a horse. The next one is E, A, R, B. It's a bear. And now we can see W, L, O. You are right, it's an O. The next one is P, E, H, E, S. Yes, it's a sheep. The last one, D, G, O. It's a dog. Well done, dear students. Dear students, today we have learned pets and wild animals. Also, we had some vocabulary. Then we have learned grammar, it's an or it isn't. And we did some activities. See you next lesson. Goodbye.